Christmas is here, Uppal, and Mr. DIY at DSL Virtue Mall is all set to make your celebrations brighter and happier. From beautiful Christmas tree to colorful lights, from soft toys and chocolates to cute decor ornaments and accessories, everything you need for a perfect festive setup is right here. And the best part, Christmas items start from just 50 rupees plus many exciting offers waiting for you inside. So this season, decorate your home and fill it with joy. Shop for your kids, your friends or someone special and make their Christmas magical. Visit Mr. DIY on the first floor of DSL Virtue Mall, Uppal. Shop smart, shop festive only at Mr. DIY and follow for more. Thank you.